Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download YNAB for budgeting premiums and deductibles step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in YNAB.com and press enter. Once the YNAB website loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to be directed to the pricing page. On this page, you will see options for free trials and subscription plans. Select the plan that best fits your budgeting needs. If you're new to YNAB, consider starting with the free trial. Click on the Start My Free Trial button. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a password. After entering your information, click on the Sign Up button. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from YNAB. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the YNAB website and log in with your new account. Navigate to the dashboard for an overview of your budgeting tools. To download the app, scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for the app options for both mobile and desktop versions. Choose the platform you wish to download the app for. If you are on a mobile device, you may be directed to the App Store or Google Play Store. For desktop users, there will be a direct download link. Click on the link to download the desktop application. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the YNAB application. Log in using the credentials you created earlier. You're now ready to start budgeting your premiums and deductibles. Familiarize yourself with the interface to make the most of your budgeting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.